Welcome to Chiro Plus. We are your local San Antonio, Texas chiropractors. Our doctors offer 3 categories of safe and effective therapies to relieve your low back pain. Therapies that will help you work, sleep, and get dressed without low back pain or restrictions. Low back pain commonly results from trauma such as car injury, sports injuries, or repetitive lifting. The trauma most often results in jamming of the spinal joints, pinched nerves, or even a bulging disc. The most common symptoms being low back pain, muscle spasms, and restricted motion. If you have a pinched nerve, you may also experience burning or tingling down your legs. On our first visit, you can expect our doctors will find the cause of your low back pain. Then apply the appropriate therapies to relieve your low back pain as fast as possible. The first category of low back therapies are applied to relieve your low back pain and inflammation. We offer chiropractic physical medicine to gently align your spine, whereby relieving spinal joint pressure, pinched nerves, and bulging disc. Our chiropractic physical medicine treatment commonly gives immediate pain relief on the very first visit. Next is our microcurrent therapy, which blocks your low back pain by activating nerve receptors in the brain. These are the same nerve receptors that are targeted by strong pain-relieving drugs, but without the harmful side effects. Another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by reducing your inflammation. By reducing the inflammation, we can reduce inflammatory proteins called cytokinins, which cause pain. Yet another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by stimulating your nerve cells' oxygen metabolism. Stimulating oxygen metabolism accelerates healing and boosts your endorphins, which are the feel-good chemicals in your body naturally produces. As you can see, we offer multiple forms of therapy to quickly relieve your low back pain. Our second category of low back pain therapies are applied to reduce painful muscle spasms. Our manual muscle therapy relieves the muscle pain in your low back by working through your nervous system. The manual muscle therapy stimulates the nerve receptors in your low back muscles and acts as a spinal block to relieve pain. We also offer a nerve reflex therapy called reciprocal inhibition to relieve your low back muscle pain and spasms. Reciprocal inhibition therapy relieves the muscle spasms by blocking the nerve signals that is stimulating your low back muscle spasms. Another therapy we offer to relieve your low back pain is trigger point therapy. Trigger points are highly sensitive and tender knots within the belly of the muscles. We gently stretch and compress the trigger points, which relieves the highly sensitive nodules. So again, you can see that we offer many forms of therapy to relieve your low back pain muscle spasms. The third category of therapies we offer is applied to increase your low back strength and mobility. We offer chiropractic physical medicine to gently increase your low back joint mobility. By increasing your joint mobility, we will increase your ability to move pain-free. After the pain is reduced, we use active therapies to increase the strength in your low back. Strengthening the low back will decrease the likelihood of you suffering permanent and recurring low back pain. All of our low back therapies are safe and have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Each therapy is applied based on the results of your history, symptoms, and physical examination findings. We understand how low back pain can restrict your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is when physical injuries do not receive physical medicine, they often heal wrong. The leading cause of spinal arthritis is when injuries do not receive physical medicine and heal wrong. Chiropractic physical medicine can relieve your pain and decrease the likelihood of you suffering a permanent injury and reoccurring low back pain. Even the American Medical Association released new guidelines that encourages chiropractic before surgery. You do not need a referral from your medical provider or insurance company to be treated in our office by our doctors. And you can feel safe and comfortable with our doctors who are licensed by the state and federal government for the treatment of low back pain. In addition, we do accept and bill all forms of insurance. Give us a call and our friendly staff will verify your insurance benefits over the phone right now. If you are suffering with low back pain, we can offer you fast, affordable, and effective relief with our $47 new patient special. Our $47 new patient special is a safe and easy way for you to experience how our therapies can quickly relieve your low back pain. The $47 new patient special includes 7 parts. Part 1, a private consultation with one of our doctors. Part 2, a range of motion examination, which will find which lower back joints are restricted. Part 3, nerve tests to determine exactly which nerves are causing your low back pain. Part 4, muscle testing to find any tight or painful low back muscles. Part 5, orthopedic tests to determine which spinal joints may be contributing to your low back pain. Part 6, our chiropractic treatment as appropriate to immediately give you some low back pain relief. And Part 7, a natural pain relieving gel. The normal cost of the 7-part new patient special is $350. When you pick up the phone and call our office today, the 7-part new patient special is only $47. The reason we offer the $47 new patient special is to make it easy for you to feel how our therapies can relieve your low back pain. The $47 new patient special comes with a 2-part guarantee. Part 1, if you're not 100% satisfied with our services within 72 hours of your first visit, you will receive a complete refund. Part 2, no waiting. You'll see one of our doctors within 7 minutes of your scheduled appointment. The $47 new patient special is limited to the first 10 patients that call in any month due to space restrictions. We look forward to meeting you and relieving you of your low back pain so that you can get on with your active life. Take the next step for low back pain relief and call us at Chiro Plus.